You all, today we are harvesting some more. So look at all of these. Look at all of these cherry tomatoes. They are ready. The more we pick, the more grows. All these cherry tomatoes, we are harvesting them. Yes, yes. These are like the best. They're sweet. Some of the skins are kind of tough on it, but they're definitely sweet. So I love it this time. Koko following. What'd you say? Koko the Yorkie. Koko got a haircut, you all. Ooh, it fell. All right, let's see. We got all of these. These are two different types. But yeah, hey, look, they're all down there and everything. We're doing this tomato harvest, you all. So we also grew the Better Boys. That's those bigger ones. They didn't do so well. They did not do as well as we thought.
Ooh, look at that. Bell peppers.
Look at this. I think these are about to turn a different color. All of this.
They ready.
Some got this one. They say when bugs want them, that's how you know they ready. Yeah, look at these. We're gonna harvest those next.
Koko ready. She ready.
Koko be playing around. Okay. Snatch a run. All right, let's get the rest of these. We gotta get all of these off.
These little.
Those will be the best ones. Just grab a handful, literally like grapes. Just grab a handful. Grab a handful of those things at a time. Throw them in your mouth. Ko, you like that? You got your tongue hanging out?
She ready for another one.
Ko, you know you could come down here, right? Put that tongue in your mouth. She is ready. Why, as soon as we move, she gonna move. Look at her running. Side to side. Side to side. Running side to side.
We're gonna have to go up on the upper level.
Upper level. So look, you all, the cucumbers, I think those little plants we had, to be honest, all of those cucumbers that were harvested, we actually man, we got so many from that harvest that I think the plants stopped producing, which is cool because we have other things that's actually still growing. And I'm telling you all, we pick these red tomatoes at least every other day. Every other day. And we got some good salad material in there. Look at these right here. All of these coming good. I don't think she used to start. You got to put it through there. She probably can't even get it. Well, she gonna try though. I don't know why she be up there behind the little thing like she can't come down. Look, she ready.
She love them.
She, for some reason, I feel like she think that this is her garden and we grow this stuff for her. And so I was over there with the cucumbers this morning. She was just running back and forth, waiting for me to pick. All right, you all. Let's get ready to go on the upper level. All right, you all. We on the upper level. And you all do know these green ones actually will turn. A few days, they'll turn red. Yep. They will turn red. Look, we got bell peppers up here. Look at these bell peppers. So in Cinder Block City, we do have bell peppers, but it's those little bell peppers, that multicolored bell peppers that be in the bag. And so I'm curious to see how those grow. And look at all of these. Ko, you see that, Koko baby?
You can't get too many of them.
Why not? You get them all, because if not, they're going to start dropping.
No, she can't.
Oh, Ko?
Yeah, too much acid.
Ko, you ready? Look.
Look.
She ready.
Look.
Right here, Ko, look.
She got the other one.
Yeah, her stuff ain't go. You got two?
That's like
A lot of peppers. These peppers going to be next, you all. Look at this one. It's like a face. This is like a face. Like, they're going to eyes. They're going to mouth. Me bugging. Right. Look at this. This is like the most the biggest tomato harvest thus far. You all, we are in season, are we in season 3?
4.
4? Man, we didn't do season 3. We didn't do nothing last year, I don't think. Look, somebody down here waiting to scoop up. Yeah. All right, you all. Look. Okay. So this is our cherry tomato harvest from the Crate Garden. All right, you all, today, well, right now, we are about to harvest these lemon cucumbers. We're gonna harvest those real quick because it's not that many, and the way these leaves are dried up. Just one. Let's see. 2. So the these right here are the green ones. The green cucumbers, they down for the season. It's a nice size one. Me and Madre are going to take these to her class and give them away so they can try lemon cucumbers for the first time. We had a few this season. Look at that one, nice size. Nice size. Got a few, you see. All right, let me see. Going into this overflow area real quick. I saw one over here. Where's it at? First major lemon cucumber harvest of the season. So they say don't put all your eggs in one basket because you never know what area will do better than others. And so we have a few spots with lemon cucumbers. We had it in the Garden of Good Eden. I just came from the overflow and now I'm headed to Crate City. It's only like about 1 or 2 over here. I know you see those watermelons. It's hard to get these. Let me see if I can go around the back. Okay. Hold on. All right, so lemon cucumbers, you all, look just like cucumbers in the inside, outside, about the size of a lemon. You can eat them as small as this size, but as large as that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of them, you all. All right. These beans still growing. You all, ooh, let's go ahead and get this in. We're gonna make us some good salad. Thank you all for tuning in. Until next time.